What I want to do today is connect our YouTube and Discord channels so that whenever a new YouTube video is posted on our selected YouTube channel, a message will automatically be sent out into our selected Discord channel. Zapier is a no-code tool that makes it easier for anyone to automate workflows across 5,000 plus apps. If you don't have an account, there's a link in the description for a free 2-week trial, so you can try it risk-free. Let's dive in. In order to get started with this workflow, I need to create a Zap by clicking the button on the left-hand side of the screen. Because I want YouTube to trigger a message being sent out into our selected Discord channel, I'll need to use YouTube as my trigger. I can find the app by typing it into the search bar and clicking below. The trigger screen will then pop up. Click New Video and Channel as my event and then click Continue. Setting this as the trigger means that anytime a new video is posted in the channel that I select on YouTube, Zapier is going to run this workflow. The first time we set up YouTube, we will need to authenticate it with Zapier. A link will pop up for you to log into your YouTube account. Don't worry, it's totally safe because Zapier uses industry standards for encryption when connecting with each of your apps. I'll put a link to Zapier's security and trust page in the description as well. Click Continue, and then we'll need to set up our Trigger App's data. Under Channel, I'm going to copy and paste the channel URL for my YouTube page. If you don't know the channel URL, click on the channel page that you would like to use as your trigger and copy and paste the portion of the link on the top of the right of User. Alternatively, right-click on your YouTube page and click View Page Source. Once you get the page source, click Ctrl F and then type in channel ID, and then copy the text in between the quotations next to the channel ID text. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue and we can start creating our action. Type in Discord into the search bar and select it on the drop-down menu. Next, click Send Channel Message and click Continue. From there, I can select our account and authenticate Discord with Zapier, just like I did with my YouTube account. By the way, if at any point you get stuck, Zapier's got an amazing support team that can help you out. There's a link in the description to their forum post for this specific workflow. Click Continue, and it's time to assign our Trigger Apps data into the Action Apps field. First, pick the channel you want your data to appear on. I'm going to click General. Next, for the message text, I'm going to put in a custom message. I'll type, Zapier just posted a new video in their YouTube channel. Check out, and then I'll click Title, type @ and then click youtube.com URL. I'm going to click False under Ping Username Role and Everyone Mentions because I don't want everyone in the chat to be pinged, and I'll name my bot YouTube Bot. Once this is complete, I'll click Continue. Next, click Test and Review, and I should be all set. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, anytime a new YouTube video is posted onto our selected YouTube channel, a message will automatically be sent out to our selected Discord channel. I hope this was a helpful demo. Zapier can do so much more with these two apps and thousands of others. Check Zapier out. There's a free trial. Click the link in the description.